Back to Product Zone. Today we're going to unbox and test out, and I'll show you guys how to install this really quick. It's a keypad digital deadbolt. Works with your fingerprint or codes. Really easy and simple to use. It's wireless. You could use this in your back door, front door, but today we're going to put it in the garage because we do use the garage a lot and we always forget the key sometimes. So this is your instruction. This is your if you don't have a cutout, they send you a cutout, which is amazing. All you're gonna need is a screwdriver, a screw gun, and maybe 4 AA battery. So this is how it looks right here. This is the back of it. Look at that, beautiful right here. But look how gorgeous this is. Beautiful. So I'm guessing that's a fingerprint. You got lock, unlock here, and then you got your code. Then you could get a key option right here. Yep, battery goes right here. And it's AA battery. This thing is easy. We got a plastic box. We got this piece gonna go on there. This is our deadbolt. That's our door. This is what I'm gonna tell you right here. It's at this side up right here. So make sure you keep this up. And what you're gonna do is your deadbolt area here. You're gonna pop that in like that. Then we got our piece with the box, and we got 2 screws. The door's been got a little damage here. So right here, this part, we're gonna take this out and just put this part in. You put in the plastic box first. So this part is where we're gonna come in. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna take this part. You wanna make sure it lines up here. So this metal black piece, what you're gonna do, you pass the wire through here. All right, so once we get this bracket here, we're gonna connect this wire through right here. And after we screwed it on, then you have 2 little screws here, and then we're gonna put in the batteries. So you could see we set it up right here. So beautiful it looks. It talks to you and stuff. That's insane. So we're gonna have to set it up. Just come right here. We're gonna scan this and then follow the step. Use the app. We could use the app on our phone, and then we're gonna set up the fingerprint. I got it on. I figured it out. It wasn't hard. Just download the app and figure it out. So you could use key, you could use the passcode, or you could do the fingerprint, and you could set up to like 50 fingerprint and multiple password. You could set multiple fingerprint and password and all that for all your family and stuff. It's really easy to use. So I'm gonna show you guys like the fingerprint. And it tells you, see that? It tells you unlock and stuff. So it locks, it tells you when it's locked, it lights up and all that. And then look, we can go. See that? That's pretty cool. And we could do the code, and then we could just do fingerprint, which I love. So see that? That's pretty cool overall. It's a really good. Check in the description box for price and details. They have many different type of colors and stuff like that, and it's a really good deadbolt. Once you download the app, you could control and unlock your door from a far distance, and that's pretty cool. And you could add family members and all that. It's very high tech. It's very nice, and it's safety. Very strong, sturdy deadbolt. Nobody breaking in your door for that. Trust me. 5-star here. Thumbs up on Product Zone. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more upcoming videos.